In the US, Vice President Mike Pence walked into a treatment center without a mask. Japan, meanwhile, has ruled out the Olympics until the pandemic is contained. All these stories and more on the Gravitas Coronavirus Tracker.
Jets from the US Navy's Blue Angels and Air Force's Thunderbirds saluted New York's health workers. The jets flew in formation over New York and New Jersey at noon. The flight leader said that they were in awe of the strength shown by COVID-19 frontline responders. The Middle East stands with India. Major powers in the Middle East have jointly rejected fake anti-India propaganda. Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar and Oman have all rejected attempts by foreign social media handles to spoil relations with India. The captain of a nuclear-powered British submarine, HMS Tranchant, has been sacked. The captain was relieved of his command for hosting a rave-style barbecue party for his crew in violation of lockdown rules. The party was hosted by Captain John Lewis at a Navy port after returning from 2 months out at sea. Donald Trump once again hailed his government's response to the pandemic. He says US has the most number of cases because America has carried out more tests than any other nation. Close to 60,000 people have died in the US because of COVID-19. More than 125,000 people have sent birthday cards and greetings to veteran Captain Tom Moore. Captain Moore turns 100 on Thursday. He has raised more than £29 million for the National Health Service by completing laps of his garden with the help of a walking frame. The Royal Air Force will also pay him a tribute with a flypast. There will be no Olympics before the coronavirus is contained. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe made the announcement. Abe's stand was backed by the President of the International Olympic Association, Thomas Bach. US Vice President Mike Pence violated the face mask rule of the renowned Mayo Clinic. Mike Pence is leading the White House task force on the novel coronavirus pandemic. Pictures showed Pence touring the facility without a mask, while all others around him were wearing one. Latest satellite images indicate that Kim Jong-un may be at a coastal resort in Wonsan. Satellites pictured luxury boats often used by Kim and his entourage near the coastal resort. Earlier, a South Korean minister had said that Kim is at the resort to avoid exposure to the coronavirus. US Navy destroyer USS Kidd returned back to port. Over 60 sailors are now infected on board the ship. All the sailors have now been quarantined. Japanese city of Yokosuka has launched walk-through coronavirus testing. The move is aimed to boost the city's testing capabilities. Citizens now would be able to get tested without coming in contact with medical workers.